Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all will be fine. So in previous video, you have learned that Rashid tried his luck many times, hoping to win something big. But each time his luck did not support him and he won only objects of little value, such as pencils, ink bottle, etc. So after wasting all his money, he was very sad and went back to the place where his uncle asked him to return. And at that place, Rashid with his bhaiya started waiting for his uncle to return. Then what happened when his uncle came back? Look at paragraph number 10. I did not say anything. Bhaiya told him what had happened. Uncle was neither angry nor sad. He smiled and patted me. He took me to the shop and bought me a beautiful umbrella, biscuit, and sweets and some other little gifts. Then we returned home. So when his uncle reached there, he found him sad. So he asked, Rashid, what happened? Why are you looking so sad? But Rashid kept quiet and did not say anything. So his bhaiya told everything what happened at the lucky shop and how Rashid lost all his money. So after getting the matter, his uncle gave a normal expression. He did not get angry, nor he was sad. Instead, he gave a smile and a slap and slapped lightly with love on Rashid's back. Then his uncle took Rashid to the shop and bought a beautiful umbrella, biscuits, sweets, toys, etc. Then all three of them went back to the home. Now come to the next paragraph. Back home, uncle told me that the lucky shopman had made a fool of me. No, uncle, I said, it was just my bad luck. No, my boy, said uncle, it was neither good luck nor bad luck. But uncle, I said, I saw an old man getting a clock and a boy getting 2 or 3 costly things. You don't know, child, uncle said. They were all friends of the shopkeeper. They were playing tricks to tempt you to try your luck. They wanted your money and they got it. Now, forget about it and don't tell anybody of your bad luck or your foolishness. So after buying some gifts and sweets for Rashid, his uncle went back home. So on their way back home, his uncle told him that, Rashid, do you know the shopkeeper played trick and made fool of you? It means the shopkeeper cheated you to get your money. But Rashid denied and said, No, uncle, the shopkeeper did not cheated me. It was not cheating. Instead, it was my bad luck that I could not win any big prize. There were no fault of the shopkeeper. But his uncle again explained that, my boy, it was not a matter of good luck or bad luck. In fact, it was a trick which you couldn't understand. But Rashid again said, No, uncle, I have noticed that at the lucky shop, an old man won a clock and a boy won some expensive things in front of me. So I don't think it was a trick. Then his uncle detailed very clearly and said, Rashid, you are an innocent child. You don't know that the old man and the boy were friends of the shopkeepers. And they together cheated you. And they also together cheat the people. Both were playing trick to tempt and attract the customer to try their luck, so that they could get money from the customers, just like they got from you. Then his uncle advised him to forget the whole matter and not to speak anybody of your bad luck or your foolishness. It means his uncle said, forget about it, what happened at the lucky shop, and don't tell anybody that you are unlucky or you have bad luck. It was not bad luck, it was a trick, and the shopkeeper made fool of you. So next time, be careful of such kind of traps. Here, this chapter comes to an end. I hope you have got it very clearly. Thank you very much for watching this video.